Hey, welcome to Corbellic Studios. We're back on doing another painting right here. This one is going to be of a rodeo cowboy. All right, he's going to be bringing in some of the cow. He's going to be bringing in that bull. He's going to be, bringing in that. I don't know cowboy jargon too much, but I always love painting cowboys. I love painting bulls. You see a lot of my artwork where it's bulls. It's rodeo. It's bullfighting. It's either buffalo because these are strong characters. It's the West, but also they do very well on eBay that I've learned in my market. So I love just going into these characters, having fun. And today is going to be really cool because it's about simplicity. All right. Do what you can get away with. That's why we do art. But it's not just about art, it's also about life. Okay. Whatever you can get away with, I'm not saying about, any kind of breaking the laws or anything like that, but find your cheats. Life doesn't have to be so complex. It doesn't have to be so convoluted. It doesn't have to be so complicated. All right. Make things less complicated in your life, and everything's going to flow for you because you can't control the outcome anyways. I don't believe that God wants us to complicate our lives too much where we have to spend so much time 20 hours drawing a face and doing all these difficult things. We don't have to make things so difficult in our lives in order for us to be rewarded. So I like to do paintings like this because it's like I'm playing a game within eBay of how fast I can get done with certain art, get on to the next one, and I'm still going to be making a fun profit off of this compared to anybody else who's wasting their time. We're not here to waste time. We're here to make money. Let all those other people go along with the old way of how things were, all right, 5 years ago. Those days aren't coming back. So let's knock this painting out right here of our cowboy rodeo. Now, what's going to be cool on this painting right here is we're going to be using a charcoal. We're going to be using our just our charcoal right here. And afterwards, anytime I use charcoal or oil pastel, I always spray it down with a low odor Krylon matte. That way it doesn't smear or anything like that. Customers don't want that. But look, we're just keeping it simple. Okay? Look, we're just keeping it simple. I love keeping things simple because then it's like you know what? I had an issue keeping things so simple when I started out because I was thinking to myself, oh, I'm cheating someone. I'm in trouble. And that's like, dude, who are you cheating? You're not cheating anybody. You're not going to go to jail. I'm so conditioned of society saying I'm doing something wrong and, oh, you shouldn't do it that way. It needs to be more complicated for you to make money out of it. I used to be thinking to myself, I feel bad because it needs to be more complicated. If somebody's going to buy it, then I need to be making sure that I spent so much time and I have details on it. That's the only way that it's worth someone buying something from me. And I'm here to tell you that God doesn't want your life to be complicated. We've been lied to. It doesn't have to be complicated. Things don't have to be difficult. Find what's easy. Do you think the artist who sold the banana on the wall, that he's feeling guilty about selling a banana? No, he's not. Because art is whatever you can get away with. And I don't know who that artist is, but maybe that artist is the biggest Christian. And he's saying that his God made sure that he was able to duct tape a banana on the wall and sell it for $5 million. How much it actually sold for. Maybe it was $15 million. Now, us and our ego, right? Some of us who are so conditioned to how art should be, we go, no, that's not true. Someone who sells art for that little, or someone who did something that's not difficult and they got away with it, art, they're not a Christian. Maybe it needs to be difficult. See, we need to get out of our minds of thinking that we have to do things that are so difficult in our lives in order for us to be blessed, or in order for us to be successful. I don't believe in that. I believe that there's enough resources here on earth, and that a lot of times it's right in front of you, but we're scared to do the things that's least challenging, or we're so conditioned by society that things have to be difficult on our own lives in order for you to be blessed, and we don't take upon the opportunity. But the joke is, we go to heaven and we talk to God, and God is like, I gave you the opportunity right there. I made it simple for you. Like, you have two hands, you have 2 feet, 2 legs, you have a brain. I made it simple for you, so I gave you the opportunity to do it simple. You didn't want to do it simple. You made it difficult. I didn't show you that way. I showed you how you could do it simple. You need to think about ways how you need to do it simple. You get what I'm saying? Like, there's some people out there, right, who believe that the hard stuff, the difficult, like, you need to be a masochist to yourself. If I do it, I'm only going to get blessed and I'm only going to get my rewards in life if I make everything so complicated and difficult. Then God's going to love me. No, I don't believe in that. And it's a sin for me, right, to say that the guy, whoever did the banana on the art, on the duct tape banana on the wall, maybe beforehand he prayed hard to God and he's a big Christian, right? But I'm to say to him, well, that's not true, because you did it the easy way. You're like, that's life. Like, you need to. That's what we talked about. If you ever watched one of my early videos where I'm saying find your cheat, in the video I'm talking about Will Smith's son. Now me, I'm not a fan of him or anything like that, but I respect where he's now the art director of Christian Louboutin. I don't know, the red bottoms. All right, that red bottom brand, the expensive one, where girls like it. The red bottoms. He's the director of that, the art director. Now, he didn't go to art school. He didn't study for it. There's people out there who did it the right way. I got to do it the right way. And they study for years, and they're hundreds of thousands of dollars in debt to go to art school and to do it all the right way. I'm too good to do the banana on the wall. And I don't want to, no, I'm not going to do it the fast way. I need to do it hard and difficult. That's how I get my blessings and my reward. And then you find out that this little kid, right? He's your boss. And he didn't go to art school, but what he's going to do, you spent all this time in debt. And then after you got out of your master's program and all of that, you have to do 4 more years of serving coffee to the art director. And then maybe you can move up as a secretary, right? And then him, the kid who has no experience, he didn't go through any of that. He gets to choose the artwork of whatever you put your time into. He chooses the designs from you. Now, who's to say, are you going to say, well, that's okay because he's going to get his karma. He did it the hard way, or he did it the easy way, and I'm doing it the hard way. So I'm going to, my blessings is going to come to me that way. We've been conditioned to think like that. And then we don't get it. We don't get it. And then we wonder why the blessings don't come. Is because we're stuck in a mindset of where the blessings are already there in front of you. It's just that we've been conditioned by society that we must be in poverty. We must do things the hard way. We must feel like things are the difficult way. And that's not true. Things can come to you once you free yourself and say, you know what? I deserve to have things simple. I deserve to have an easy art day. I deserve to do this painting right here, and I deserve to have this painting sell for $50 to $60 plus shipping. And it only took us 10 minutes to do. I deserve that, and that's what's going to happen because that's the frequency that you're on. And I can't get mad at anybody else. Yes, I understand the story that I'm telling. Okay, it's Will Smith's son and there's nepotism and there's all that. But we're so conditioned to thinking that, well, that's not, one day that kid, he's going to get his karma, or, oh, well, One day he's going to realize, no, by the time that happens, that kid is already going to make another kid, and his kid is going to be in a generational wealth, and it's going to go into the same loophole where they're not thinking about as small-minded and petty that you're thinking of it, because they found their cheat. They're not worried about you. That's why we use the projector. This is our cheat. And there's other cheats that we're talking about of how we can utilize it and how you can benefit and how you can start making money for yourself. Inside the art program, we have a 14-day path for you. So that way on day 1, day 2, all the way up, that you're going to be making your first sales within 6 days. There's no guessing game. Everything is built for you. There's all the templates, all the downloads. Everything is there for you. Find your cheats, get into the program. And you can learn how you can do this for yourself. All right. So look, we just did this right here. That's beautiful. Here, let's spray this down actually. More times than ever, I just see so many people who make things so difficult for themselves. And it's like you do it on purpose, or you don't even realize how you're conditioned to make things so difficult for yourself. Because you think if you do it the hard way, you're going to get punished. Like the art gods are going to come down and you're going to go to jail and like all this weird stuff. It's like there's no rules when it comes to this, but we're conditioned into thinking like that. Boom. Look, we just did this together. Really fun, really easy. People love artwork like this when they receive it. It's not going to be smudged. If you want to learn how you can do this for yourself and you want to be a part of the Q&A mastermind group, that's this Sunday, where we're going to be having a lot of gems, more gems than what we talk about on here. Click the link below, join us, and I'm going to see you in the next video.